From Besant Technologies BTM layout branch. Today, one of our student, Mr. Hari Krishna, got selected as a network engineer in a reputed company.
Hello all, myself Hari Krishna. I have completed my graduation in the year of 2019, and post that I started working in non-IT. So, and then I was not getting much exposure. Then I enrolled myself in Besant Technologies. I learned after the completion of a course, Besant Technologies have started scheduling an interview for me, and then I continuously gave an interview, and now I got placed into one of the reputed company with a good package. That's my big achievement here. And about the training and all, I would say they are giving the top-notch training. So I would also suggest strongly for you guys as well, you can join here. Thank you for Besant Technologies BTM layout.